radiation belt approaching.
Initiate shield. Lotor lit the flame. We are honor-bound to do as he says, even if it is strange. We will be pledging to Lotor. You're weak, too. Maybe I didn't make myself clear, Lieutenant Lon. I'm in charge of the shielding facility. My word is law. Recharge and prepare for the next radiation sequence. Open a hailing frequency to Gulra Command.
The planet has already been fired upon, and we do not have the means to protect ourselves. You must send assistance immediately.
Paladins, I am Commander Bogh. Our damage... You're moving plate 7-2. It needs to be It will be slow going, but
First you side with Lotor and get our system
Get to your station and begin the thrust sequence. That's an order.
Huh?
Rapid saw. Radiation exposure in 4. Shielding complete. Recharge and prepare for the next radiation sequence. Rapid saw.